Reloaded. Reloaded. Whole lot of CTG shit. Big gorilla. I'm reloading, my niggas part 2. Sorry for the way you don't know how I feel. When they ain't true, I ain't tripping, that really how the world goes. Money going and hoes go up and down. These hoes have my heart missing and lost and found. I'm reloading, my niggas part 2. Sorry for the way you don't know how I feel. I ain't tripping, that really how the world goes. See money going around, hoes go up and down. I'm trying to get my foot up off the ground, and they ain't really trying to see a nigga make it now. Shit like that to make a young nigga pack some. They really tryna see a nigga fall like Pacquiao. Probably see advantage, the whole be watching now. But to be honest, all I really want is money now. Cause I'm out of work, a nigga living bummy now. That bitch bad, she know I fucked her mentally. Really tryna see a ticket, really want them M's. Money counting, nigga, I'm still standing, nigga. But I don't know how long that's gonna be, nigga. I'm reloading, my nigga, this part 2. I'm sorry for the way you don't know how I feel. I ain't tripping, that really how the world goes. Money going and hoes go up and down. I'm reloading, my nigga, this part 2. Sorry for the way you don't know how I feel. When they hate you, I ain't tripping, that really how the world goes. Money going around, hoes go up and down. That's how the world go, money go up and round. I'm trying to see a ticket, get up out this town. Before I die, trying to make up with my round. The ones who don't want to see it, they steady holding grudges. And I ain't done yet. What you thought, nigga? Yeah, bring the other song, yeah. Yeah, bring the other song, yeah. Bring the other song.